Every morning begins the same, until something shifts. A sound, a shadow, an instant that shouldn't exist. We didn't explain what happened. We make you feel. Dubai has always seemed untouchable, a city built to defy the impossible. But that night, something crossed the sky that no one expected. A drone, from a conflict that seemed too far away to reach there. Explosions were heard nearby, but the truth was still unfolding. And suddenly, the tallest building in the world no longer seemed invincible. The conflict didn't start there. It had already been spreading across the Middle East for months. Drones have become invisible weapons, fast, silent, and difficult to track. And when war changes form, modern cities become vulnerable. It wasn't just about a building, it was about what it symbolizes. Power, stability, security, everything seemed guaranteed until that moment. Authorities confirmed explosions nearby, but denied any direct impact on the building. Videos circulated online showing smoke and flashes in the night sky. But in times of war, pictures don't always tell the whole story. Air defenses can intercept threats before they reach their targets. And even without direct impact, fear had already swept through the city. Modern warfare no longer depends on armies crossing borders. She traverses the sky in silence, guided by technology and strategy. Cities that symbolize stability become symbolic targets. Even when there is no visible destruction, the psychological impact remains. And that night in Dubai, the sky stopped looking like just a sky.